No, I have a quirk now. From here on out, I'm going to be a hero. And I'm not gonna let anyone get in my way. I'm a failure. After all that hard work. I'm sorry, All Might. I'm sorry, Mom. This must be why Dad left. He said he was just going out for milk, but he never came back. Now he's off at sea with some other boy. I don't blame him. I'm a disappointment. I mean, who trips on their own shoe? How am I supposed to fight villains? I can't even fight gravity. No wonder Kachan bullies me. He's been right all these years. I'm a sad, pathetic, worthless normie with no skills or bitches. An NPC, a side character, an extra, a sidekick's sidekick, a Krillin, All Might's #1 dick rider. Broccoli. God, I've been falling for a long time. This is really gonna hurt.